Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and here is another website where you can earn simple and easy money through extra surveys. So let's get started. Yes, so what you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser. From your Chrome browser you come and type digiopinion.com. They will take you to this website. Then you come here, click sign up. After signing up, they will take you to this page. They ask you a few things. Your email, your registration, your email, a few things, username, passwords. Then you have to put them in. Then we set here verification email to your email. Then you go and verify your account. Then next, and you come and see this overview page. As you can see, surveys, you see activities you have done, active surveys, completed surveys, and total earnings in USD. This is my test account. My original account has some issues, but after a few days you'll be able to get some surveys. As you can see here, you start earning money in dollars. So what you have to do, open up an account and give it like 1 week. You start getting more and more surveys each and every day. You can earn around $10 to $25 per day from these surveys. That is it. Thank you so much.